The Somaliland Ministry of National Assemblies and Constitutional Affairs for Coordination, together with the Ministry of Justice, have held a workshop on constitutional law and justice for some parts of the community. The event was attended by government officials, including the Minister of Constitutional Affairs, Mohammed Haji Adam Elmi.
The Somaliland Ministry of Constitutional Affairs, together with the Ministry of Justice, have organized a two-day workshop on constitutional law and justice for different sections of the community. At the opening ceremony of the event, the Somaliland Minister of Constitutional Affairs, Mohammed Haji Adam Elmi, welcomed the participants and shared with them the importance of this program, as well as encouraged them to take advantage of this program.
aqoon-yahankana aynu u soo casuunay marti maanta aynu ugu yihiin inaynu wax badan ka kororsanno sida Dr. Amal oo kale.
Our main purpose is that we are all here, and we invited these great intellectuals, including Dr. Amal, to take advantage of them to enhance our knowledge of constitution and justice in our nation.
Kawasarad ahaan sida ogtihiin dastuurka waxa lagu tilmaamaa marka aqoon-yahanka caalamiga ah qiimeeyay dastuurkeenu inuu yahay dastuurka adduunka kuwa ugu fiican inuu yahay inagu aan inagu faaninaynin inuu sidaa yahay baa maxaan dhahay qiraal ah.
The Minister of National Assemblies and Constitutional Affairs said Somaliland has one of the best constitutions on earth, but the public does not apply it well. He said as government institutions, they will develop knowledge of the constitutions.
The Minister of Justice and the Ministry of Parliamentary Relations and Constitutional Affairs have organized this workshop in order to promote constitutionalism in Somaliland. Creating the Somaliland Constitution started in 1991, and creating a constitution that was in line with the international standards that protect its basic rights was a process. It was a debate. Somalilanders came together in several grand clan conferences here in Hargeisa as well as in Borama, and Somalilanders have succeeded with great struggle to vote on a constitution in 2001. Now, today we have organized this workshop so that a diverse set of participants can at least listen to Dr. Amal and learn from other constitutions that have developed in other countries, and to focus on how best we can first understand the sections and the parts of our constitution, and what our young academics and students in law schools in our universities can at least learn the interplay between the constitution and the profession of justice.
On the other side, Dr. Amal Ali, who is an expert of this field, explained in depth the significance of this project.
This program was brought together by the Ministry of Justice and the Ministry of Parliamentary and Constitutional Affairs, where the DGs and I sat down together and thought, right, the constitutional law is a fundamental area of law in most legal systems, including Somaliland, and we wanted to see where we were in terms of constitutional law and where we could go, trying to identify where the gaps are and where we could suggest improvement. The purpose of most constitutions is to deliver justice. The reason why we've decided to add the term justice there is to see the ways in which constitutional law could benefit us in Somaliland and could allow us to deliver justice to the different sections of the communities. The Constitution is a very strong document. It's the backbone of every society, and within the Constitution there is a legal section, there's a political section, and there is a social section. So here today we are focusing on the legal, and we are seeing the way in which law, predominantly constitutional law, can allow us to deliver efficient decision making as well as allow us to deliver justice within Somaliland.
For the past year, the Somaliland government has been trying to increase its efforts to improve public awareness on constitutional law and justice. It was recently when the government launched a civic education guidebook for Somaliland higher education institutions.
I've participated today's meeting about the Somaliland, the constitution and justice. It was a very important session, and there was a lot of presentations and discussions among the different constitutions in the world, and also about the Somaliland Constitution, how we can improve, how we can enhance. We also discussed the most important parts of Somaliland Constitution, including the general provisions, the basic principles of Somaliland Constitution, the Bill of Rights in Somaliland Constitution, and also the other provisions that discuss and shape the Somaliland Constitution.
And I'm one of the students of University of Hargeisa School of Law, and today we participate a workshop about constitutional law and justice. And today it was the first day, and it was led by Dr. Amal, and we got many advantages, like in the difference between the political constitution and legal constitution, and we hope we get more about it.
We hope to continue from this effort that the Ministry of Constitutional Affairs and Ministry of Justice to engage to implement it for Somaliland Constitution. Also, I would like to mention the importance of this meeting. It is always correct from the loopholes existing in Somaliland Constitution.